Getting started selling on Google is quick and easy with Codisto Channel Cloud. But before you dive in, there are a few things that might be helpful to understand about the different ways to sell on Google. When most people think of Google, they think of it as a search engine, but this is just one component of Google's network. For online sellers, Google can be regarded as an additional sales channel, connecting your products with buyers looking for them in a variety of ways. Surfaces Across Google is a program where products you sell are displayed on various Google destinations, such as Search, Images, Lens, as well as Google Shopping. In addition, Google's display network, Gmail, and YouTube can be used with paid product listing ads to display your products and increase their discoverability. So, how do you get your products to feature on Google surfaces and other extensions of Google's network? There are two ways a product can be shown on Google: free listings and paid product listing ads. In order to showcase your products using either type, Google needs to have up-to-date and verified product data, such as pricing, inventory, and product images. This data is stored in Google Merchant Center. When you connect to Google with Channel Cloud using a free Google account, such as Gmail, Channel Cloud automatically creates a Google Merchant Center account and syncs your existing product catalog data from your online store. Once in Merchant Center, your products are available for Google to display on its surfaces anytime they are considered relevant to a user's search. Paid product listing ads allow you to showcase your products on Google with premium placements across Google's network reserved for paid listings. This requires a Google Ads account, which Channel Cloud automatically creates for you, and starting a smart shopping campaign and setting a daily budget for Google spend, which you can do quickly and easily in Channel Cloud. For example, in this search for headphones on Google Images, one of the available surfaces across Google, we can see examples of both paid and free listings. The paid listings are showcased across the top of the results page with pricing and shipping information and links to the websites where they are available to purchase. We can see image results that are tagged as being product listings with this symbol, and which will direct your customers straight to the listing where they can purchase the product. Listing your product here is free, but you have less control over the likelihood of appearing for customers' searches. For a full list of which types of listings are eligible to appear on Google's network and where they will be shown, please see the guide in the video notes below. Traditional Google listings, both Surfaces Across Google and product listing ads, take buyers to your online store to complete their purchase. This is different to sales channels like Amazon and eBay, where customers complete the checkout process on those channels directly. However, where available, listings on Google Shopping that are marked as Buy on Google allow customers to check out directly on Google. In this case, Google acts more like other sales channels, keeping the checkout on the same side as the product search. When this happens, Channel Cloud automatically transfers the orders to your e-commerce platform for efficient fulfillment. There are many ways to take advantage of selling on Google, and it should definitely be considered as a key sales channel to grow your business.